Either it is not going to rain, I'll use capital R for rain, or I will need a poncho, so we'll use P for poncho. Either it is not going to rain, or I will need a poncho. So not rain and poncho. We need to figure out which statement is equivalent to what we're seeing here. So you could quickly start drafting up a truth table. It's probably a lot easier to do that with pen and paper than to write with this mouse. So I need not P and not Q. Sorry, not R and not P probably. I'm just getting ready for that. I'm sure they're going to have options that I need to check. So start the first one is true, true, false, false. Then we do true, false, and then this is just the negation of the first column, the negation of the second column. And so the statement we're trying to match up, not R or P. We're looking for something that has the same truth value. So if it is not going to rain, then I will need a poncho. That's what this statement says. Oops, sorry, let's finish this first. Not R or P, so either one. Here's not R, here's P. One of those is true, so this is true. Neither of them are true, so this is false. One of them is true, so this row is true. One of them is true, so this row is true. Okay, so we need not R implies P. So that means we start with the not R column. If the first part of the conditional statement is false, then it doesn't matter what the second one is. It's automatically true. First part's false. That means P needs to be true, and it is. Those match up. First part's true. I think I just said it backwards there. If the first part's true, then this part also needs to be true in order to get true marked here. So the first part of the statement is true. The second part is false. Look, that doesn't match, right? Those two truth values don't match, so we got to keep going. So if it's not going to rain, then I will not need a poncho. So not rain, then I will not need a poncho. Okay, so in order to check that one, start with not R, so it's false, false. Look, actually we can do something. If it's going to start with not R, we know it's not going to work, right? Because if it's not R, and not R implies something else. Here, this statement here is always true if this is false. So false, false means we got true, true going down in this column. Okay? Not R implies not P. That's false. But we could have stopped earlier because look, it doesn't match on this row right here. This is the column we're trying to match. We have something different for row 2. If it's going to rain, then I will need a poncho. This one might work. Let's check it out. If it's going to rain, then I'll need a poncho. So R implies P. R is true, P is true. That's true. R is true, P is false. That's false. It's matching up with our column that we're looking for, right? This is the column that we're trying to match the statement up with. So we got false, false. That means these automatically get marked true. Look, those two match. So our correct statement is this third one here.